Alrighty guys, I'm here with my brother,
Austin.
and today we are doing the Lego challenge. Now I know it's not the Lego challenge you guys are used to seeing.
And we're a little too old for it, but that's okay.
There's no such thing as too old for Legos, Austin. You guys, everyone's used to seeing a Lego challenge where you do things across a pile of Legos and you get extreme pain. Yes, it's funny, but we have a different idea. So today we are doing a challenge against each other to see who can build the best. I guess today we're doing a bug. We may do multiple, depending on how long it takes. But our topic is... You didn't eat those yet? He's already taking parts out before he even gets to it. But he's got his pile, I have mine. They both have different parts in them.
Trade stuff, right?
No. No,
Yeah,
there's no trading.
You
You work with what you got, they both have different stuff in them. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and the topic is bugs. So we're gonna build some type of awesome looking type bug thing. I'm gonna get started, guys. So switch to time lapse. Austin's is a little fragile, guys.
Bug, all bugs are fragile.
Yeah, but you gotta build with quality. That's why mine took so long. Which side's the front?
Can you tell?
I thought that was the front.
No,
That's like a head. That's
that's
his
his
tail.
tail, his wings, his eyes, his antennas, his mouth, his nose.
Oh, I see. So it's like a slot. It's like a sand bug.
I call it the Warfly.
Warfly?
I'm sure name.
It's a scorpion.
Nice. This is pretty clean cut.
Yes, it is. So we had
Both
design.
pretty good though.
Alright.
Did you guys put in the comments who you think is a little bit better? 'Cause I mean, to me, I think they're both pretty awesome.
I think they're both pretty legit. I'm gonna show you guys up close what they look like. So here we have my scorpion. We're gonna probably take pictures. You guys can see it here. Nice 360 view. You can see what we got here. That's nice abdomen. Very nice. Very nice eyes. Alright, beautiful. Austin's just in the background. And then we got Austin's Warfly here.
So this guy is pretty sweet. He's a Warfly. You don't really see these guys very often. These are his two eyes. So and then he got his two antennas for sensing, for smells and stuff. So it's basically his nose. This is his. I don't know. It's something.
He's got.
And then his tail is a weapon. It's what he kills his.
Oh, you got rotated for us.
What he kills his prey with.
It's like a hammer, you know. It's like a wasp. It's like a stinger. He
Yep.
comes in and he just
Kills
wraps it around and just snaps right
He
into
eats
him.
him up. Here's his wings that he flies with. And then these two guys squirts his gel that covers up his bugs so he can save them or whatever he wants to do with them. It's like a refrigerator.
So a refrigerator that comes out of his legs. That's nice. Yeah, very good.
And then A for awesome.
A for awesome. Fair enough. Alrighty guys, you guys saw our designs. You guys can put in the comments who did you think was better. So you can put the names in there. Mine's the Squirtian, is that what we said?
Yep.
Squirtian. And then Austin has the Warfly. So you guys, let's put the face out. You guys see the face.
But if you can't choose which one's better, you can just say they're equal.
Exactly.
So.
And be honest guys, we want pure honesty. Who do you think is cooler?
Yep.
Who do you like better? The design. Austin's got a bit more color in his. But I was looking for the sleek, like, deadly spider type thingy. So make sure to put that in the comments below, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like rating, subscribe, share it, guys. We really appreciate you guys sharing this video. We have started the new Lego challenge, and maybe we'll do more of these. You guys put in the comments below what new Lego challenges we should do, what we should build, those type of things. This topic was bugs. So yeah, this is our results.
You're
and
so good at this.
I'm so good at this. I do it a lot.
You're being too proud now. There you
No.
go.
But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. You guys have a fantastic day. And we'll see you guys later.
Hola.